Inclined roller sand press. Principle. Based on the principle of material layer crushing. Features: 1. High efficiency and energy saving. 2. Large crushing ratio. 3. Fine particle size and uniform distribution of the products. 4. Small wear. Application: for sand-making operation of various materials with medium or above hardness with compressive strength less than 300 MPa, Pratt hardness 5 to 16 and humidity less than 10%. Such as pebbles, rocks, steel slag, iron or tailings, construction recycling materials, etc.
Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.